I recently spoke at a Google event, the Build with AI event, where I talked about AIs were once dumb, LLMs were not just this good. At some point, they needed to be trained. After the event, a couple people walked up to me and said, you know what? I love your talk. I love what you do. I love your content, but it's overwhelming. How do I stay on top of it? What do I do? I got similar questions in different shapes asked to me. This video is for you. I think when you talk about being overwhelming, it's true. I understand. I'm trying to stay on top of AI in Web3 space, Goat SDK, Web2 space. I'm also trying to understand the underlying nature of it, like the research, diffusion, and all the stuff you may generate, everything. I am going crazy. I am studying almost every single day. My phone buzzes every time someone posts a thread. I follow a couple people that also are interested in this stuff. So I understand. I understand how crazy and overwhelming it can be, but maybe you don't need to be on top of the news that way. Maybe we can start thinking of strategies that work for you, that can make you get it to consumable bits that you don't find overwhelming. Now, I think the first thing you need to understand that AI is going crazy, and it's only going to get crazier from here. We are seeing so many improvements, so many changes, so many upgrades, so many news, but maybe those things do not concern you. I think the first mistake you might be making is trying to think that everything is your business. No, AI is changing different industries at different pace. You need to find what matters to you in all this noise and pick that and stick to that until you feel you've exhausted what you need to, or you become curious. Pick what matters to you and start consuming content in that bit. Start following people that do those things in those areas. If you are a designer, you want to understand how you can create ads and all this stuff, well, follow people that do it. Find them on Twitter, search for it. A simple Twitter search comes up with this stuff. Start thinking about it from a fun side. Don't act like you want to write exams after reading this stuff. Enjoy it, enjoy studying it, enjoy listening to it, enjoy the process of discovering these things. Have fun with the process. Also, do not follow the models, follow the tools. For every second you see there's somebody somewhere right now working on a model that is better than this model and this model and this model. The business is not with the model. Your business is with the tools, which is focus on the use cases, focus on the applications of this stuff, and then go do them. Go put yourself in the process. Don't just consume this stuff. Don't just read, create. Enter ChatGPT and type out this prompt. See it being used. Start discovering how do I fit this into what I do? That is the way that it's gonna be consumable for you. Because if you just read, consume, and you don't create, you're just storing up all this and the things bottle up, and before you know you're choked, it becomes overwhelming. So create, don't just consume. Be a creator, don't just consume. And also try to follow people that do things that are related to what you do. If you don't know those people, find them on Twitter. Twitter, guys, Twitter. Follow them. If you're looking for tools, there's a place that I often recommend. It's somewhere called There's an AI for That. It contains a catalog of crazy number of tools, and it's one of the craziest one out there. So if you need tools, go to There's an AI for That. Some are paid, some are free. Enjoy yourself, and that is it. So if you find the craziness of the AI thingy very overwhelming, just embrace it, have fun with it, figure out how you can start using it little by little in your workflow, and start increase your absorption of those knowledge. But don't just absorb alone, don't just consume alone. Also do what? Create. That's it.